look at that. It just looks great. It looks fantastic, right? It just looks like something you want to chew up. Well, guess what? We are going to chew it up, folks. We're going to chew it up right now. These are actually jalapeno cheeseburgers. When I say cheeseburgers, they already have pepper jack cheese in it. You see that? Jalapeno and pepper jack. This is from my butcher. My butcher said, you know what? I'm gonna hook you up with these badass burgers and you're gonna go home and cook them and you're gonna tell me about them. You're gonna tell everybody on the internet about them. And I mean, look at the jalapeno pain. Look at the jalapenos in there. These are just gonna be great. I'm so excited. All right, so here we go. Into the out. Boom, parchment paper. No, let's do 2 burgers. All right. Get the parchment paper right away. We're gonna go ahead and use a spatula. See how flat we can get them with the spatula. Pull the paper. It's pretty flat. Then we're gonna come over here with the burger press. Do the same thing. Now, if you see with the parchment paper, we got a more uniform smash, more round smash than we did with using the spatula. And that's great. That's what we want. This thing actually works nice and flat. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Now, the spatula is still useful because we want to flip, right? Get a nice crust on this burger. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that. It's fantastic. Look at it. I mean, it just looks amazing. All right? All right, let me go ahead and hit this one here. I mean, look at that, man. Jalapeno smash burger. Dude. I'm telling you, you can't beat this. It's so good. About a minute on each side. So smoked out right now. Now these two, I'm not gonna put cheese on. I'm just gonna cook them like this, and I'm gonna put them on the plate because I'm gonna do something different with them later. All right? These are about done here. All right, we're gonna grab these. Ah, that is what I call a done burger, my friends. All right, we're gonna burger smash both of these just because we already know it works better, okay? We tried it. We know the press works better. We're gonna have to use the press. Woo-wee. And really, you only need 1 piece of parchment paper, right? Don't waste it. And this isn't that parchment paper that you get from the little kit that you buy. This is just regular parchment paper in the roll, and I went ahead and just cut it myself before the video, you know? That's all you need. Just cut it square yourself, man. I know some people have them round and stuff like that. That's no need. Why have it round? The press is already round. Round, 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 round. We got jalapeno and pepper jack built right in. Look at that. Look how good that looks, man. That looks amazing. So good. Okay, now we got that flip on. Now it's time for the cheese. All right. That's sharp cheddar right there, man. Sharp cheddar. I love sharp cheddar. All right? It's so good. Sharp cheddar cheese. Throw some mayo on these buns. Love mayo. Mayo is the key, folks. Don't let them trick you. Mayo. All right, so here's the finished product. My camera overheated because it was outside and it was too hot. The camera was too hot and I had it too close to the grill. Look at that. Woo-wee. I got one with cheese, one without cheese because that's how we like it, right? Cheeseburger, hamburger. I'm telling you, they just look amazing. That just looks great, looks fabulous. And I'm gonna go ahead and bite into this. Well, you know what? Let me go ahead and cut into it, then we're gonna bite into it.
Just go ahead and cut the cheeseburger. Ooh, that knife is really sharp. I love this knife. All right, so let's check this out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. It just looks great. It looks fantastic, right? It just looks like something you want to chew up. Well, guess what? We are going to chew it up, folks. We're going to chew it up right now. It just looks great. I don't want to touch it, but we're going to touch it. Moment of truth. All right? Woo-wee, still hot. Mmm. Okay. I don't know what to do with my life right now. Wow. That is so good. It's so flavorful. I mean, just the quality of the meat. You know, hey, the burger all starts with the meat, right? It starts with where you get the meat from. My butcher hooked me up. That is amazing. And then, you know, I went ahead and put it on there, pressed it down, and just an extra little press, getting that nice crust on there. Man, it's so good. The jalapenos come through right through your nostrils. I can't even tell you guys about it. I'm trying, but I mean, it's so good. I tell you what, sorry about my manners. The camera quit, so I don't know if you guys saw the mayonnaise part, but I put the mayonnaise on there, slapped those buns on there, and it's so good with the mayo. I know a lot of people want to put butter, compound butter or something like that, but the mayo, that's how you do it. The mayo, folks, the mayo. Thanks for being here on the video. Thanks for sharing this food with me. And, you know, thanks for sharing this journey with me. It's really important that, you know, I share this food with you guys because I love food and I know you guys love food. So let's just love food. I mean, fuck it, right? Hey, food and beer. I'll see you guys on the next one.